everyone, my name is Abhay and today I'll be reviewing the Wandley infrared thermometer, so let's get started. It's always said that precaution is better than cure. The Wandley thermometer in today's time is the most essential thing anyone or any household can have. This product is made in India and it comes with a 3-year sensor warranty. With the pandemic locking us all in our own places and keeping us aloof from our friends and our loved ones, the non-contact option helps us to be safe and enjoy our share of fun. This allows us to meet one another responsibly. Apart from personal reasons, even if you're an employer, it is an important investment for the welfare and the safety of your employees. What are you waiting for? Go get yours and invest in an economical, responsible social buy.